So another example 3 is whereby you can be given a cylinder in terms of a log or in terms of a trap. A trap is something that is used to feed animals. Are we together? And then a log, it is just a log which has been cut 2 times to become a cylinder. Are we together? So in that one, you must know a log is always closed and a trap is always open. It is upon you to know. So when it comes to, for example, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say now we have a log. A log should look like this, like this, like this, and then like this. Are we together? This one now is a log. A log is always closed. Are we together? Now it has been cut into 2 halves. So you are going to use the formula of a closed cylinder, but you insert a half. Are we together? So there's this area of getting a half log. It's going to be a half 2 times 2 pi r plus squared plus a half 2 times 2 pi r
H.
2 pi r h. Are we together? And then now in this one you must also get the area of the top. Because it is closed, there is another shape which is going to form at the top, which is this one, and it's a rectangle. Are we together? So you also add the formula of a rectangle. Are we together? That's how you get the formula of getting surface area of a half log. Are we together? You insert a half, but once the log is cut into 2, it's going to form another shape here, which is in the shape of a rectangle. Are we together? But now if it is an open or a trap, if it is an open, which is also a half, it's going to be the formula of getting an open cylinder, but you insert a half. And you are not going to add any rectangle because at the top it is a
There's
hole.
no shape, yeah.
Are we together? So that is the only
There's no
difference.
shape.
Surface area is going to be a half times 2 pi r squared plus a half times 2 pi r h. Are we together? You are not going to add anything because it will look exactly like this one, but now you'll find that it will be like this one exactly, but now this one up and down ni hole, so you are not going to add length times width. Understood?
Yeah.
Let's have an example, and for today you are going to have an example of a log. Example, it's going to be in terms of log. For example, the figure below shows a wood, a log of a wood that is in the shape of a half cylinder. Are we together? Then you are told, calculate its surface area. Calculate its surface what? Surface area. And then you are told use 3.142 as the pi. Are we together? And the shape looks like this. Are we together? The shape looks like this, which has 50 centimeters here and 100 centimeters there. Are we together? So you are given the diameter. This is the diameter and this is the height. Are we together? So step 1, write the formula of an open cylinder, of an closed cylinder. But remember, this is a cylinder. So surface area is going to be 2 times half. Are we together? Times, okay, we can write the whole formula for you to get better so that we replace it. Let's write the whole formula. So it's going to be half times 2 pi r squared plus half times 2 pi r h. Are we together? So let's replace now. Surface area is going to be half times 2 times 3.142 sawa times 25 times 20 what? 25 plus. Are we together? Because of this one. Half times 2 times 3.142 times what? Times 100.
Okay.
Are we together?
Times
Times
25.
times the radius, which is 25 times 2 becomes d. Are we together up to that point? By 2 here, by 2 there. By 2 here, by 2 there. Now let's multiply 3.142 times 25 times 25. 3.142 times 100 times 25. So the first one, what do you get? And then you remember plus, where is it? Plus length times width, because it is a closed half cylinder. So we have a rectangle here. This rectangle, you have to add it since it's a log and that shape has been formed there. Are we together? So we are going also to say plus 50 times 1 what? 100. So we are going to get 5,000 for the rectangle. Then we have the curved. What are we going to get for the curved when you multiply? When you multiply for the curved, we are going to get what? You can say 25 times that 142.
78, 550.
78. You get 78 what?
550.
78, 550. And you remember we have 100. We have how many decimals? 1, 2, 3. We first insert the 3 and then we remove 1, 2. 0 goes. So this one becomes 78, 55 plus. What is the area of the circles? Semicircle. The area of the semicircle. What do you get? The area of the semicircle?
1,963.
1,963.75.
75.
And then you add all those ones. So we are going to have 5,000 plus 1963.575 plus 7855.00. What do you get once you add all that?
8.
You get what? 1,040. Yes, what do you get? Have you added? You add for me 5,000 plus this one. Get for me, this is 0.75 plus this is 8. Cinder. This is 1, carry 1 here. 17, 18, carry 1 here. This is 6, 7. 7 plus 7, you get 14. And your answer becomes 14,818.75 centimeter squared. And that becomes the correct what?
Answer.
The correct answer. Are we together?
Yes.
And that marks the end of today's session. Thank you.